Welcome to the BariGirls Kitchen. I'm Linda.
And I'm Kylie.
With summertime comes summertime salads, and today we're showing you a variety of deliciousness. With summertime comes summertime salads, and today we're showing you a variety of deliciousness using fresh ingredients.
I'm so excited about this. First up, we have our roasted beet salad with goat cheese. Now, this is awesome because the goat cheese and the beets hit so many different flavor notes, I'm telling you. And the best part is that beets help with your blood pressure by widening your blood vessels because of all the fiber and nitrates it has.
Wow, I love that. Let's talk about goat cheese. Now, of course, goat cheese is made from goat milk, but it's good for people who have a lactose intolerance because it's low in calories and low in fat.
Yes.
Much more so than milk made from cows.
Very true.
And goat cheese also has benefits in an abundance of nutrients like vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids.
There are so many different varieties and types and textures. You can really have fun with it, So enjoy. We enjoy, don't we? We really enjoy goat cheese. We really I love goat cheese. Next up, we have our flavor explosion. I love this, Mom, with our quinoa, goat cheese, and peach salad.
Sounds delicious.
You know, this is phenomenal because it has the freshness of the peaches, and then it also has our awesome superfood plant-based protein, quinoa.
Oh gosh, I love quinoa. And let's talk about some of the benefits of quinoa. It's rich in protein and fiber, and it contains higher amounts of other nutrients as well.
Yes.
It also has a texture that's similar to white rice in the fluffiness of it. 1 cup of quinoa has twice the amount of protein than 2 cups of white rice, and it has 5 grams of fiber.
We love the fiber. Last, we have our blackberry goat cheese arugula salad.
Yum.
I love this one, Mom, and it's so easy to make for family and friends. You can even have the kids help you with this one.
Let's talk about some of the benefits of blackberries. They aid against heart disease, helps in the prevention of cancers, boosts brain power, as well as helps oral health.
We all love to smile, don't we?
Absolutely.
And I really love making this for company because you can really switch up your choices of cheeses. You can use your goat cheese, you can use Gouda, Brie, that gargoyle cheese. What's that?
Gorgonzola.
It really, you know, switch it up to where it complements all of the taste buds and the salad. And there you have it, 3 super nutritious and delicious summertime favorites so you do not feel guilty with your family and friends coming over. Don't forget to leave us a like and follow us, the BariGirls, for more healthy and flavorful recipes.
When you try these at home, leave us a comment and let us know how you make it count. BariGirls out.
The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House.